from Kiyi Cosmetics, and today I'm going to show you how I make this peacock box soap. It's made with beer from a brewery here in Minnesota, and it smells delicious. It's kind of a sea salt, like a really fresh, clean scent, so I really enjoy it. And it has some nice salt on top of it, decorated on top. And anyway, that's what I'm going to show you how I make. So let's get started. Okay, so yay, we're gonna start making soap. I'm so excited, and now I'm pouring in the lye. Gotta get all that lye, make sure you're scrapey, get all the lye in, mix it all up. And now we're stirring. Get it all stirred up, everything's getting stirred in there. Oh, it's looking good. And now I'm going to use my stick blender, blend it all up, getting everything blended together, all the oils in the lye. It's turning into soap now. Now it's turning into soap. It's getting closer to being soap. Ooh, don't mix it up too much. Okay, now I have to stop. It's getting too thick. Okay, scrape it off. I think it's okay. Whew, okay, it's alright. We're gonna stir it a little bit, smooth it all out. Okay, it's gonna be alright. Alright, so, oh, I don't know, maybe. Stirring, checking. Good. Oh, it's perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna pour it. Pouring it into the molds. Pouring. Not too much. Don't get too much. Oh, I spilt it. Oh, no. Oh, man. Now I have to clean that up. Okay, pouring carefully. Oh, it's setting up fast. Quick, get it in the mold. Hurry. Getting it into the mold. Get it all. Oh, smooth it down. Don't want any air bubbles. Quick, get it all smoothed down. Looking good. Scrape that last little bit into the mold. Yep, looking nice. Look how thick it is. Wow, it's set up really fast. Okay, let's see if we can get this done before it's too hard. Oh no, it's getting too thick. Okay, getting it all into the mold now. And next, we are going to put something on top of it. But first, we have to adjust the camera. So, whoa, we're adjusting the camera. Zooming in and turning. And it's perfect. Okay, oh, here's the salt. Okay, so this is the salt on top of the soap. So we're just putting a little bit of decorative salt on top of the soap. There's salt inside the soap too, in the lye water, so it's extra salty. This is a very salty soap, which is good for you. It's good for your skin. And now the decorative gold, so it's so pretty because it's peacock. Peacocks, I don't think they have gold, but we're just gonna go with that. Okay, pink. Putting pink on top of the soap, and a little bit of blue, just a touch of blue. So we've got green, pink, gold, and blue. And now we're up a little bit closer so we can have a different view. Oh, we're shaking around. Okay, back to the salt. Putting the salt on top, decorating the soap with the salt. Sprinkling, and then decorating. Lots of pretty gold because that makes it look extra special and fancy. And that's the way we like our soap. And zooming in so you can see all the details. Oh, look at that gorgeous pink. Pink and green are my favorite together. And then a little bit of blue, decorating the blue. And it is perfect. Look at it. It's all done. Gorgeous. So I hope you enjoyed watching me make the peacock box soap. It's a really nice beer soap. This is available in my Etsy shop or also on the website kiyi.com, and the name is the same name as the YouTube channel, so I'll also have the link in the description below. It's a really nice soap, especially because it has the salt on top, so if you enjoy a nice salty bar of soap, this is the one for you. And yeah, so check in next time. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up because I like that when people do that. And if you want to leave a comment, it's always fun too. Thanks for watching. Bye!